Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. A couple of hot keys that I very seldom ever use, don't ever think about it, but they're pretty useful. If we want these to be in line, one I can go T and put them to the top. But if I want them anywhere else, I just hit E and it'll align them. Normally with the last thing you selected. So like if I select these and shift select that and go E, they all went to the last thing selected. But you can see that these are closer together and further apart. Well, while you got it selected, if you hit Shift E, it aligns them perfectly apart. So same thing going this way. Using the C, which stands for center, you put them in the center, but you can see those are further apart. So we can Shift C and it'll align them that way. Pretty cool. I mean, just a 2-key stroke. Instead of going to align these, like you could, let's get these off, and you wanted to align them between the 5, the way I normally do it, and because I don't ever think about it, is go to Dockers and align and distribute, and then you got to figure out which one you want, if you want it from the center. That's the same way, but you've had to open a Docker to do that. So instead of opening the Docker, just Shift E and it'll do it automatically. Anyway, I hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.